What's up, Donnie? How you doing? Oh, you don't be on film? There's Tony on the rope jack. Jim Hewley, Maryland Tree. We'll drop this pig right through here. She's been stripped out. Little room, nothing big deal. Today's my first day. I showed up this morning, gave me a chainsaw and a freaking splitting maul and said, take his tree down. I said, well, nothing I can't do, I guess. Oh, here we are. 066, 084. Tony's gonna videotape it. It's probably gonna make a thud, some seismic activity when it hits, but you know. Tony, I hear the rope jack. God damn. She gonna go. I'll drive a wedge in the back of it. That's good enough. That's make me feel better. That rope's kind of old and I don't like it. Here, you can videotape if you want. Actually, you know what? I'll get Donnie to do it since you're on the rope jack.
Which saw you use?
84. Here, just videotape. Stand out of the way too. It's on. Say hi.
Where's should
Your hands in the way. There you go. Don't stand under it when it falls, though. That's all I'm asking. I mean, we want action, but not that much.
What about black gold?
No, I'm good.
I gotta film this whole.
I'll dock your pay if you ask me again. Hi.
What's it mean when the red dot comes on?
Word.
I hope I filmed it good.